Hello, friend. Welcome to my 24th episode of my April show, Urban Sketching, a Big Adventure. It is the project where we, every day, bite by bite, one object by another object, are exploring cityscape and preparing ourselves to our upcoming plein airs, drawing outside. And our today's topic is very fun because now it is weekend, Saturday. I would like you to relax, to enjoy your sketching practice, and we are going to draw city celebrations. What it could be, some parades, or maybe carnivals, or maybe street dancing, like salsa or something like that, maybe some street performance. You name it. You can choose any city celebration, what you want to draw together. And I already have chosen my celebration and my photo reference, so we are going to draw it in a couple of minutes. For today's sketching practice, I have chosen the celebration which is called Songkran. It is traditional holidays, festival in Thailand, and it is a traditional Thai New Year, and it is typically celebrated in April, so it is very convenient. And maybe the most bright and impressive thing is that on this celebration, people, they are pouring each other with water, and it means that they just want to bless each other, as I understood the process. And once I even took part in that celebration. I didn't know before. It was many years ago, maybe 12 or even more. And I didn't know that this celebration will happen. And when once I went for a walk, I realized that everyone is with water in some dishes or bottles, or even this children's weapon with water. And everyone is pouring this water to each other. And unfortunately, I didn't find my photos from that party, but I have a photo of me who was under this, let's say, rains of water. It wasn't real rain, but the artificial rain. And I want to share this photo with you. It was many years ago, so I look a little bit different, but you can see that I was all my clothes and hair full of water, because everyone would like to pour this water. And even the most funny people, they prefer to maybe to throw some little eye pieces into you. That's why you just feel even more bright these feelings. And I was really shocked. And if you are going to visit Thailand, I adore this country very much, but you need to know at what period you will have this celebration of Songkran. So I will write the correct spelling into description to this video, so you can find everything what you need to know. If you are not familiar with this celebration, it is very interesting, very colorful, and it will enrich your experience. And I found one reference for today's practice. I would like to show you this in this account, Rinочка, who is writing about life on Phuket, which is island of Thailand. And it is a retro photo, and you can see how it was in the past, that everyone are pouring the water into the cars and buses and so on. And by the way, for your today's practice, you can choose any celebration, any photo which you like. Just, it is my approach, and I would like to see your choices, something different. But by the way, I would like to tell you that here we can find a lot of people, like a little crowd, but it is crowd. And in my project, this urban sketching big adventure, we already covered this topic. And I would like to show, if you missed, I already filmed 3 episodes which are connected with how to draw crowds. So I will show you those sketches, and all links I will put in the description. So if you don't know how to draw a lot of people, a crowd of people, you can find out how to do it. This sketch is from my episode 14 of this show. In this episode, I very in detail told you how to draw a crowd, and it will look like a crowd. So you can start here. This was a bonus video, day 15, and here I told you how to draw again a crowd from the top view, and I showed my methodology how to do it, and that crowd will look like a crowd, and we can recognize people and have this vibe of, a lot of people who are talking, who are just moving a little bit, and this is not a still life of people, but it is something with life, when it is something dynamic. So you can also go to this video and explore how to draw this crowd. It is so advanced level, but if you're a beginner, you still can try to do it and find your way how to depict a crowd. And this was a video from episode, again, 15. The previous was a bonus, day 15, and this is just day 15, where I apply our knowledge how to draw a crowd of people, especially in the scene from the cafe. So everyone is sitting, chatting, drinking, eating, and so on. And you can observe in that video, it was just in the video, it was just a small part from this sketch, but you can find the way how to draw it. So if you, before this today's topic, how to depict celebration with a huge amount of people, and you're confused where to start, how to do it, you can go to one of these 3 videos, or maybe you can cover all of them, and you will find your way how to do it. When I was filming all these 3 videos, I finally realized how to do it. So now I know how to do it, and I can explain it for you. And if you have any questions how to do it, how to draw people, if you have some confusions, write me in comments, and I will try to answer all your questions. And our today's topic is this city celebration. So let's start our drawing practice. So my sketch is ready. It was super fun, perfect topic for weekends. And I encourage you to join me and to draw your own version of some city festival, celebration, and so on. After this video, I will put my sketch into my free Telegram channel, where I share all my sketches from this urban sketching project, and you can observe it in details. And as usual, I encourage you to show your own sketch from today's practice there, also in my free Telegram channel, and write a couple of words about you, about your today's experience, about your feelings, maybe about your memories of some celebration. Just a few words about that exact celebration, because maybe it is something exotic and I have no idea about it. Maybe, no, just I need some explanations. And all other people who will read your post. And some of your sketches from today's topic I will show in my upcoming videos. That's it for today. I'm not going to have a long video because it is weekends, and I would like you to have fun, to enjoy your life, to go for a walk, and to do what you want. So I would like to announce our tomorrow's topic, and as it will be Sunday, I also would like to make it as simple and quick as possible. And tomorrow we are going to draw a very interesting object, and it has relationship not only with cityscapes, but you will use it even if you are going to draw landscapes and everything what's going on outside, because tomorrow we are going to draw sky with beautiful clouds. So find your photo reference for tomorrow, or maybe you can make a photo of clouds above you, because it's always more interesting to do. And tomorrow we are going to draw just this part of environment, which we can apply to different types of landscapes and cityscapes, and they can add a lot of dynamic and expressiveness to our sketches. Thank you so much for spending this time with me, drawing with me, trying new topics, expressing yourself in your own way. It is always very interesting and very useful for your artistic journey. And have a wonderful weekend. We will see each other tomorrow in our next meeting, drawing urban sketching together. See you there. Bye bye.